I can't figure out.
Hi you all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing absolutely great. So today's video is a Rakhi get ready with me, or you can call it like a festive edition get ready with me, in which I'm going to do my hair, makeup, and we're going to decide my outfit which I'm going to wear at Rakhi. So it's gonna be like a really wholesome video. So in case you are planning to get ready for Rakhi, you can recreate that and you know, we can twin or something. So yeah, let's just begin with the video without wasting any further time. I don't have anything on my face except just a little lip balm, but I did prep it, like I did my skincare routine before all of that. If you want to know what my skincare routine is, there's another video on my channel which you can go and watch. So the first step is obviously a foundation. So this is the foundation that I'm using. It's L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte cover foundation. This is what I begin with. So I'm going to apply it first of all. I don't use a lot of foundation because I like to, you know, just feel my skin. Obviously you can go for more foundation, but this is what I do when I do my makeup. And I'm sure most of you guys can do, I think, better makeup than me, because some people are so talented when it comes to makeup, like wow. So not me, but I'm gonna share what I do because I like to. Yeah, honestly I really know like very basic makeup and I'm perfectly fine with that because mera kaam chal raha hai, so what else do I need, right? So next step is a concealer, and for concealer I'm using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. It comes with an inbuilt sponge, so you don't really need to like blend it a lot. I'm not going to cover my all acne marks. Obviously I like a perfect base, but I think it's okay if a little acne or acne scars or pores are visible, and I honestly prefer it that way. Also, let me just tell you that I'm not going to do like a very advanced makeup. It's going to be really simple because I like to, you know, be it simple. And also we don't really celebrate Rakhi in that full swing. I don't have like a brother to tie Rakhi to. I have sisters, and we used to celebrate Raksha Bandhan like when I was little, but then we got all separated, you know, jobs and all of that. Everybody's living in different places. So Raksha Bandhan for me and my sisters is like little, you know, insignificant to be honest. But since I'm here, I'm living with my sister in Mysore, I am planning to, you know, celebrate Raksha Bandhan this time, like with her, क्योंकि जो है साथ में उसके साथ तो we can celebrate, right? So yeah, this is what I'm gonna wear and, you know, do my makeup if we celebrate, and when we celebrate, not if. I'm definitely going to celebrate with her this time. So yeah, so let's just move on to the next step, and the next step is this Fit Me Maybelline loose finishing powder, and this product is a game changer. Like, so just apply it under your eyes so that the concealer doesn't come off. Some people like bake it properly, keep the finishing powder for like 10 minutes or so, and then, you know, smudge it all. But I don't like to do that. I smudge it right after I apply, which works for me. So with that, our base makeup is done, and now we're gonna move towards the eyes, which I'm really excited about because I have something in mind. So the eyeshadow palette that I'm using for this video is this one from MAC. It was gifted to me by my sister, not to me, to my other sister, by my other sister. So it's kind of like a borrowed makeup palette, but my sister doesn't use makeup, I do, so now it automatically belongs to me. It's so nice to have sisters, you know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shade right here, this little pink, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. I hope you guys can see the difference, and I'm going to repeat the same on the other side. So I'm going to use this shade now, this one here. I'm going to like apply it on the outer corners of my eyes. And we're going to just smudge it all in. Honestly, when it comes to doing makeup with Indian wear, I prefer to go with pink shade a lot because I think it suits my skin tone and looks good with every kind of Indian wear, like every color and, you know, all of that. So it's like a safe choice for me. So yeah, So this is what I have done with my eyes. But this is not it. We also have some other things to do. So I'm going to take this kajal. It's from Lakme. Iconic kajal. So I'm going to apply a very thin layer of kajal right above my lash line. So now we are going to smudge it out. Yup. This kajal is a little hard to smudge, to be honest. So if you can use any other kajal, please go ahead. I'm also going to apply kajal on my lower lash line, like the normal way we apply kajal. I hope you can see the difference between this eye and this eye. This eye looks really nice. Now for the eyes, we are going to apply mascara. Yep, this is my eye makeup. Now we move on to the blush. I'm using this Sugar Cosmetic stick blush in the shade Mauve Marble. It's a really nice blush. थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग गया, but कोई बात नहीं. I love how easily it smudges off. And some on nose. Yeah. So for lipstick, I'm going to apply this NYX Professional Makeup. It's Lip Lingerie and it's in the shade Exotic. I think it's a little too pink. I might have to change, but I'm going to top it off with this another lipstick from Blur Cosmetics. Looks better, right? Let me know which one was looking better to you in the comment section, so I can, change if I want to wear this makeup look some other day. So now for highlighter, I'm going to use the Sugar Cosmetic highlighter. It's also a stick highlighter. Can you see the instant glow? So yeah, this is what my makeup look is, and I am honestly, I love it. Like, I did the entire face, like eyes and all of that after ages, and I am so feeling it. Like, it looks amazing. I look amazing. Wow. Now we are going to move to hair. So yeah, let's go. So if you know me, you'll know that I don't really use a lot of heat on my hair because I like them the way they are. But for today, for some reason, I'm going to, I don't know what with my hair straightener. So yeah, I'm not going to like straighten it a lot, but I'm going to create like little waves or something. Let's see what I do. I also don't really know. Oh, nice. So what I'm doing is that I'm going straight first of all, and then I'm doing like a little curve at the end. So it comes out like this. So good, right? I'm also really confused on how to keep my hair, like a mid part or like a side part. I think the mid part looks better. I don't know, you guys tell me what looks better. You'll know better because you see me all the time. So I think that is all I'm going to do with my hair. I know it's not a lot, but whatever. So now let's just go ahead with outfit and jewelry. I'm really excited for jewelry for some reason. Let's go. I'm definitely going to share my full outfit, but let's just get done with the jewelry first of all. Let me know if you guys want to see a jewelry collection video. I have quite a lot of jewelry with me here. This doesn't really go with my outfit because of this red bead. Oh, and with this kurta that I'm wearing, I'm going to use this chunni, this green color, very pretty silk ka dupatta. I'll show you my full outfit. Wait, It might get a little too much for Rakhi, but I don't know. This, wow, so pretty, right? Okay, let's try this or this. If I'll wear this, I'll obviously remove this. I think I'm going to go with this. Yeah, this looks nice, right? It looks like a really casual sort of look. So this is my whole look, and I'm so happy that I went with these earrings, although my hair is a mess already. So that was it with today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching. I too loved my look entirely. I loved how classy yet simple it turned out to be, and I also really like my makeup. If you want to see more pictures of this look, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram for more fashion beauty related content, and I'll see you guys in my next video really soon. And yeah, be safe and happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. I love you guys so much.